Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the incredible benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, push-ups are an excellent exercise that can help you transform your body and improve your overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll be exploring the various ways that 100 push-ups a day can impact your body and help you reach your fitness goals. One of the most obvious benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day is the increase in strength and endurance that you will experience. Push-ups are a full-body exercise that works several major muscle groups, including the chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. Over time, as you build up your strength and endurance, you'll find that you're able to perform more and more push-ups with ease. This increased strength and endurance will not only help you in your push-ups, but it will also transfer over to other areas of your life, such as lifting heavy objects, running, or playing sports. Another benefit of doing 100 push-ups every day is the improvement in posture that you will see. Push-ups are an excellent exercise for strengthening the muscles in your upper back and neck, which can help to correct slouching and improve your posture. Additionally, push-ups also work your core muscles, which play an important role in maintaining good posture. Over time, as you consistently do 100 push-ups every day, you'll find that you're standing taller, walking with more confidence, and experiencing less back and neck pain. In addition to the physical benefits, push-ups can also have a positive impact on your mental health and well-being. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, and push-ups are no exception. When you perform push-ups, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood-boosting chemicals. These endorphins help to reduce stress and promote feelings of happiness and well-being. Additionally, the physical exertion of doing 100 push-ups every day can also help to relieve tension and provide a mental break from the demands of everyday life. Another benefit of doing 100 push-ups every day is improved sleep. Exercise has been shown to help people sleep better, and push-ups are a great form of exercise to help you get a better night's sleep. When you perform push-ups, your body is working hard to build strength and endurance, and this physical exertion helps to tire you out and make you feel more tired when it's time to go to bed. Additionally, the release of endorphins that we discussed earlier can also help to promote feelings of calm and relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Push-ups can also have a positive impact on your cardiovascular health. While push-ups are primarily a strength training exercise, they do still provide a cardiovascular workout, especially when you perform 100 push-ups every day. When you do push-ups, your heart rate increases and your blood flow improves, which can help to strengthen your heart and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, the physical exertion of doing 100 push-ups every day can also help to reduce your risk of developing heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. In conclusion, 100 push-ups every day can have a profound impact on your body, improving your strength, endurance, posture, stress levels, sleep quality, and cardiovascular health. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, push-ups are an excellent exercise that can help you reach your fitness goals and transform